This Cadillac XT5 has a powerful gas V6 3.6 L/engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilt sliding with express open and power sunshade, engine, 3.6 liters V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop/start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts, at 6,600 revolutions per minute, 271 pounds-to-foot of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 revolutions per minute, STD, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or Qi-compatible mobile device. Some phones have built-in wireless charging technology and others require a special adapter/back cover. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see cadillactotalconnect.ca or consult your carrier. Drive your Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury AWD and Luxury with these packages: wipers, front intermittent, rain sense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm by 20.3 cm, sterling silver painted finish, upgradable to SLV, 20 ultra bright machine faced wheels with midnight silver accents or SLW, 2012 spoke fully polished wheels, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets, universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, traction control, full range, powertrain and brake modulated, tires, P235/55 R20 all season, age-rated, Blackwall, tire pressure monitoring system, tire inflation kit, deleted WAM, ZCD, compact spare tires ordered, team driver configurable feature that lets you activate customizable vehicle settings associated with a key fob, to encourage safe driving behavior. It can limit certain vehicle features, and it prevents certain safety systems from being turned off. An in-vehicle report card gives you information on driving habits and helps you to continue to coach your new driver. Switch, DriveSense system, suspension, performance, driver select modes, steering, electric power steering, EPS, assist. Visit us today for a must-own Cadillac XT5. Come see us at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3. Just minutes away.